All the way back in 2004, Acura launched one of its most beloved models, the third generation TL. The new TL paired an attractive design with a powerful 270 horsepower V6, a premium interior, and an abundance of standard features at a price that significantly undercut its German competitors. But as we found in our long-term test, the front-wheel drive TL was understeered, and torque steered way more than we would have liked. Acura's solution? The A-Spec package. It didn't give the TL any additional power, but it did include an aero kit, bigger wheels, stickier tires, and a suspension tuned by one of the engineers responsible for the first generation NSX. It practically eliminated both torque steer and understeer, turning the front-wheel drive TL into a legitimate sports sedan. Acura's subsequent sedans, however, have struggled to recreate that same magic. The cars themselves haven't been bad, but the styling has been off, and it hasn't felt like Honda knows exactly what it wants its luxury brand to be. With the much-hated power Plenum grille officially dead, Acura would like us to believe it's ready to reinvent itself. And part of that reinvention involves bringing back the A-Spec badge, this time on the TLX, the car that replaced both the TL and the TSX. Every A-Spec equipped car also comes with a technology package, which adds rain-sensing wipers, navigation, a premium 10-speaker audio system, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. In our acceleration tests, the TLX hit 60 miles per hour in 6 seconds flat and did the quarter mile in 14.5 seconds at 96.6 miles per hour. That's slower than the all-wheel drive Audi A4 we last tested, but ahead of the all-wheel drive Mercedes-Benz C300. What's impressive, though, is that the TLX laid down those exact same numbers no matter how many times we ran our tests.